All right. Hi everyone. Um, Today, welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'll be teaching about the line command, how to use the line command, and how to draw the line commands using measurement and with and without measurement. So, actually, the line command is the first command that is on our ribbon under home. So, if I click the line, it says specify first point here on my ribbon. Remember last time when I did the tutorial about the user interface, I said everything is going to be written on the command line. And here it's saying line specify first point. And by definition, we all know that the line is connection of point from point A to point B. So the software knows this and it says specify first point. It means you need to have a start point and the end point, and the connected, meaning to say that will become a line. So for example, here if I click here, the software now says specify next point. So if I hover my mouse, you can see now I have an option to drag and draw a line from this point, which is my first point, to another point, which becomes my next point. And by so doing, if I come from here and if I move again inside my model space approximately here, and if I click, the software now says again specify next point. It remembers that I have drawn a line that is starting from this point up to this end point, but it is also giving me an option to draw another line starting from the end point that I have placed here. So if I just want this line alone, I just need to click escape or to click enter. And now we have a line that I have drawn without placing any measurement. But if I can zoom, you can see that this line is not straight. So firstly, I would like to explain how we get to use our status bar in relation to the model space and the ribbon for us to draw a line that is perfectly straight. So if I click a line and if I specify first point like I did before, and if I come here and find what is called ortho mode here, and if I click it, you should note that my line becomes perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. So it means I need to choose any point from this point, and I should always get a line that is perfectly horizontal or perfectly vertical. So if I come and click here and click escape, it means this line is perfectly straight, and if I zoom in, you can even see that this line is straight. So that's how we get to draw a line without measurement. So in order for us to draw a line with measurements, what we do is if I click line here and if I specify first point, let's say suppose I need to put a measurement that is 200 away from this point. You should note that on this top part of the line, there is a blue region that is number written, and for now the number is 158.264. So if I just come to my keyboard and type 200, you should note that 200 is now replacing the number that was on top there, and press enter. You should note now that I have drawn a line that is 200 from this point up to the end, but the software is still giving me an option to start to make this my end, my first point for another line, and go again either the here or up or down or to continue in a straight way. So because I just need one line that is 200, I can just click escape, and you should note that this line is 200. And in order for me to see that this line is 200, I may come here to measure distance, and if I start from this and come to this end, you should note that it is giving me a distance which is 200.000, and it means I have drawn a line that is 200 millimeters from this point to another. So I may use the line command maybe to draw something that is very, very meaningful, and placing measurements on it. So if I click the line, if I specify this as my first point, I may put 200 as my first line and use this end point as my first point and show the direction going down and put 100, press enter, show again the direction going another side, put 100, press enter, and show the direction going down, put 100, press enter, show another direction, 100, enter. Now I need to come down, 100, enter, 100, enter. If I repeat the process, 100, and now I need to come here, 100. So I may come again with 100 here, maybe go this in this direction and hover to snap to this point and come to this end, click there, follow this guideline and come back there. I have drawn these stairs using the line command, and if you could check, I used 200 here, 100 here, 100 here for all these stages. So that's actually how we can use a line command. So I can repeat how to draw a line using measurement and without measurement. So if I want to draw a line without measurement, just click the line, specify first point and hover along. And if I want a line that is not straight like this, I need to turn auto mode off so I can even get in my next point in a receding way. And if I click there and press enter or escape, I have drawn a line that is receding. So that's how we get to use a line, drawing a line without measurement. And with measurement, what you need to do is click a line, specify first point. Now you drag to show the direction in which you want. Let's say, for example, I want to draw a receding line from this point that is 600 away from this point, but going in this receding form. I just show the direction. It means that if I put 600, it goes following that line. So the main idea now is to show the cursor the direction that you need. So as for now, I want it to be receding. You can see, you should note that no matter how big or small, we just need to see the profile in which the line will follow. So for now, I need to put 600 away. So if I type 600, you should note now that the line has started here up to there, even if I had shown a very, very shorter distance. And even if I would like a small distance like that, and if I type not on the line there's 1000 something, but I need a distance of maybe 200. So if I type 200, press enter, my line is started here and ended there at 200. So that's how we get to draw a line using measurement. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's meet again in my next tutorial where I'm getting to explain about the polyline. Please let's like and share and subscribe to this channel. It helps me a lot. You have a good day. May God bless you.